Hello. In this video, I want to find where f is increasing and decreasing if f of x is equal to negative 2x over x plus 2, and then we want to graph the function, and we'll do that in the calculator. So to do this, we want to find where f is increasing and where it is decreasing. That means we want to find some critical numbers, but first I actually want to find the domain of the function. The domain here occurs wherever the denominator is not equal to 0, which means x cannot equal negative 2 here. So there you go. That's our domain. X is not equal to negative 2. Now, let's find any critical numbers. So critical numbers occur wherever the derivative is 0 or undefined. So let's find out where that happens. Well, since this is a quotient, we'll use the quotient rule, which is the bottom, x plus 2, times the derivative of the top, which is negative 2, minus the top, negative 2x, times the derivative of the bottom, 1, all over the bottom squared. Excellent. Then distribute everything. That's going to give us negative 2x minus 4, and then plus 2x, all over x plus 2 squared. Awesome. Now notice that the 2x's there go away, and we're left with negative 4 over x plus 2 squared. Excellent. So there is the derivative. Now to find the critical numbers, we set the numerator equal to 0 and the denominator equal to 0. And then we solve. Notice that for the first one there aren't any solutions. For the second one, however, there is one. We have x plus 2 equal to 0, which means x equals negative 2. But notice that negative 2 we cannot use, because x equals negative 2 is still technically not part of the domain, so this technically isn't, I'm using technical a lot, this negative 2 is not actually a critical number. But it's still useful. Alrighty, so on the number line, negative 2 is going to be something that breaks the number line up. So we need a number to the left of negative 2, which is, say, negative 3, and a number to the right of negative 2, say, 0. Or negative 1 if you want. Doesn't really matter. So these are x's. We're going to plug them into the derivative. Plug in negative 3. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. Negative 4 over positive 1 is negative 4, which makes this negative. Excellent. Now for the 0, plug it in here. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1, aka negative as well. So both sides here are negative. Wonderful. And so what this means is that this function is decreasing on its entire domain. So this is decreasing from negative infinity to negative 2, union negative 2 to infinity. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it so far, so the only thing we have left to do is to graph, which means I need to see at the calculator. See you there. Okay, welcome to the calculator. On y equals, we're going to do alpha y equals enter, and then type in negative 2x, and then over x plus 2. There we go. Zoom 6 for the standard window. Now notice x equals negative 2 is a vertical asymptote. Oops. But notice that this function is going down from left to right on the entire domain. Alrighty. Well, there you go. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.